up with a medicine that would open up the channels from the root chakra to the higher chakras and allow an experience of samadhi with, a temporal, a few hours perhaps, and then go out of the system and allow you to be normal again, wherever your base state was at the beginning. Would that be okay?
They tried that, but they tried this about 6,000-7,000 years ago in India. But then the person never came back to the body. He died. Because the voltage was so much. The tremendous voltage of God contact was so much. I've written it in my book, Wings to Freedom, on being a disciple of Babaji. In America, every second person is a direct disciple of Babaji. I've said that the electric voltage is so much of this cosmic being that it would be utterly impossible to exist. He would vanish. He would go to vanishing point, evaporate into nothing. So, we have found a way of opening up all the chakras, experiencing samadhi and coming back. And we gave you one of these methods today. Tomorrow I'll give you another method, and day after I'll give you the third method. The only thing is that we could not hurry the nervous system, the psycho-spiritual nervous system, because it is so fragile. The astral mechanism of the human being and the nervous system and the brains of the human being are so fragile that if you try to give him an experience of cosmic consciousness in 1 minute, he would evaporate into nothing. It takes the human brain, in a natural procedure, it takes the human brain 1,000,000 years to express cosmic consciousness. The Kriya Yoga is the lightning path, and you can express cosmic consciousness in 3 years, 6 years, 12 years, 24 years, and 48 years. So the group here is 48-year group. 3 years you'd have to go crazy. Just go at it for 48 hours and 24 hours. You have to do 48 hours meditation in 24 hours. Can you imagine the compression of the concentration required? Some people could be 12, 14, 18, 12 years. Yes?
Can you increase or accelerate your speed with intensity of concentration and devotion?
Yes. Yes. Write it down. Who is the one? There's the one. You can increase your intensity and devotion with the degree of concentration applied. One is called sanskar, which is your past life effects, and the present effort is called purushkars, which is your present life, except the purusharth, the purushkars. That's the more intense the concentration, the deeper and faster the evolution. And try to understand this, that it's a very good idea to think of that in 1 minute you go through all the chakras, experience all the 7 heavens. Om Bhuvam Bhuvam Swaham Maham Janam Tapam Satyam Om Tat Saviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat Om Aap Jyoti Ras Amrit Brahma Bhur Bhavaswaram. You chant the Gayatri like this in America?
Not the second.
I. Like this?
The first part.
No. Okay. So this is a method which is miraculous. You could see it in a sci-fi movie, a science fiction, or in Star Trek or something. You know those people dissolving, becoming, all these beautiful girls materialize and dematerialize at will. So they're trying to show them celestial beings of other planets. It cannot be done because evolution is a thing which takes its own time. Your brain nervous system requires time. If I give you a little voltage, it's okay. If I give you a 440 voltage, 4000 voltage and all, you'll be gone. So it's like electromagnetic voltage. Because they say that if you just trap 1 cubic millimeter of lightning, it will supply the whole New York City with light for 100 years. This is how big these things are. So it's not, you're not talking about a spiritual experience here. We're talking about real. Not real spirituality, real spirituality. The alchemy of total transformation. Yes.
गोरक्ष गोरक्ष गोरखनाथाय शिव शम्भो नमाय शिव शम्भो नमाय शिव गोरक्ष गोरक्ष गोरखनाथाय